Welcome to this 1,905 square feet 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom gem. The bright and open living space flows into a comfortable kitchen and dining area, ideal for entertaining. Spacious and functional layout featuring a cozy fireplace. The primary suite includes ample space and an ensuite bath, while the additional bedrooms provide flexibility for guests or a home office. Beautifully appointed garden area perfect for outdoor enjoyment or your green thumb.